I feel so free. I feel so light. These are the mountains. Wow, everyone should come up here and feel high.
مانیم شو مثلی هر شو مستی 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 مستم سی مستی شیشه خم را شکستم بگو ای جان من هر جا که رفتی که من تو زنده هستم.
En route to Koruch. This is our highway, and over there is Afghanistan, and right there you see the little road.
سر خوش رو چدم از وام خوش رو دوام نه وام جات اساس تمرم یک سر خوش رو.
Well, we're on our way to Koruch, but for some reason we got stuck here. But anyway, here is Afghanistan. I'm super stoked. Hello! You see those people on the other side? They're living back in time, like maybe 100 years back or so, you know? We've hardly seen any. We've been driving hundreds of kilometers on this road. We haven't hardly seen any vehicles, a couple of motorbikes, mostly just donkeys and cars. It's waving back. We're in the dust, it's almost getting dark and the visibility is zero. We've got a raging river behind on our side, and the driver cannot see where the edge is. And that's a very good situation to be in.
What would I say? I don't know what to say.
How are you feeling, Nanet?
I started off with a super sore throat and an infection and a stomach bug, so I'm not feeling that great.
Well, that's a good start for an expedition.
Yeah, it's great, but we just keep going. I gargle my salt water and it's gonna be fine.
Great. We hope for the best.
Oh, yeah.
Pamiri golak joan konayat to Pamiri golak zeb zamanayat to Pamiri golak arpe mosos festoyat hek Pamiri golak armotaronayat to Pamiri golak arpe mosos festoyat hek Pamiri golak armotaron.
Biggest problem here is the sun. It's unbelievably strong. In the beginning I just had a hat and this was all completely exposed. My skin is just burned, unbelievable. So now everything is covered. Long sleeves, long pants. It's just needed. I have greatly underestimated the sun, the power of the sun. Unbelievable. Okay, Nanet, you just had a very rough introduction to river crossing. How do you feel?
Wow, I feel super alive and focused, and actually that there's no other scary shit in the world.
Because was it scary?
River crossings are scary and the rest is a joke. Don't take it too serious. River crossings are serious, but good fun.
Because it was
I feel
very,
sharp.
very strong current, quite deep. We nearly got swept away.
Yeah.
We're now at 4,000 meters, and I'm feeling remarkably good actually. Out of breath real quick, but no nauseousness, no headache, nothing. You?
No, I feel really good. The air is really clean here. Yeah, no nothing wrong. A bit fast out of breath. That's it.
Yep. We had a fantastic meal with chapatis with fish and cheese, and yeah, it's 6 o'clock, so ready for bed. Bye bye. Well, I just climbed up here. We made it to the lake. It's amazing. I feel absolutely high on life, in the high mountains. Absolutely amazing to be here. I feel so good. I feel so free. I feel so light. These are the mountains. Wow, everyone should come up here and feel high. We are in Tajikistan. The average rainfall in August, which it is now, is 0.1, and it's raining. It's all in the tent. Yippee!
And she told me, don't bring wet weather gear, don't bring your big tent, don't bring your fucking this and that. It's not going to rain. Well, who's in my tent now?
We are in a nice tent, nice and spacious. Look at that. So we're up here in the high mountains, 4,500 meters, and I feel such a sense of space. We haven't seen anyone for a long time, and the landscape is obviously very vast, but I also feel a sense of space in my mind. Like even between thoughts, there seems to be space. Very interesting to observe. I feel that in the human world, the mind is filled with rationality and logic. You know, it's all very logical, rational. And out here, the mind seems to expand, but that also means there's more space. Space for creation, to be in awe, inspiration, love even. And there's also an other side to it. It feels like heaven, but it can quickly turn into hell. Because there's also space for emotion, for insanity, madness even. I haven't experienced that directly myself, but I heard plenty of stories, and I think it's because of the space. And even physically, that out here at the moment it's heaven, blue sky. I'm standing here in the shade. It's absolutely fantastic. Nice temperature, but it could change any time. You could get snow up here, you get snowed in, you die of hypothermia. Fall in the river, you know, it's a nightmare. So we're walking here on the edge. Things can change so quickly. Very interesting.
Pamir music.
ای غلط از ما بیوفاله دو از خواه عاشقیت هیچ مر خبر مادر وزم تو یو خپود چه به هم دگر مادر هزار بهار که نوست و دیرم آمده به هم دگر که نامد غلط شکاله عمر یم تو بشر صورتت شد سودا و عقل که
We're on 4,200 meters, and here we find some sort of a shepherd camp. Here is a mountain of shit, and that's their fuel for their cooking, because there's nothing else out here. No trees. Here's the kitchen, and the woman making butter, and there is the hut. They're sleeping. They stay here 3 months a year. July, August, September, and in September it's already freezing cold. What a place to live.
No daughter. One son.
Here's my daughter.
Ah, also got my daughter.
Oh, my boys. من دامس نسعد هیچ طرف خندات ماش درک نیست نه میوت یا دلوا
نه مرکی مزه
از خزانات زبانه زن کنال میگی ماشاءالله بم خو زن کلام تو دارید الان فکرانه
How much sheep you have? A goat.
1,000. Wow.
And where are you going?
4,500 meters. Only creatures living here is yaks. They sure chose a nice spot to live.
How do you feel, Nanet? Have you got your first fish?
Adrenaline is rushing, but I killed him. He's dead for sure.
We got two now.
That's dinner.
Oh, I think it's a mother.
If it is, we'll have roe. So eggs.
Whoa! Look at this. Oh, look,
There's a little bit. There's the eggs.
Oh, I
It is
feel
a female.
horrible. I'm a real hunter.
Get the black shit off it though.
Oh.
Yeah, not good. Yeah, taste it up.
Yeah. Somebody wants? You want?
Yeah,
I'm
me.
not a big fan of it, but and I prefer it.
Thanks.
I prefer
I'm a real hunter now.
Sure are.
Miriam Lancewood, eat your heart out. I'm gonna write a book about this catch.
We're 4,500 meters. Just got a fish, and here it is, on the pen. Bulunkul. Yearned. Houses with solar panels. And a lot of dusty mountains around.
Kızdım yanğanda canım bağlados Kız çok Allah göz açlar Ya dost köylücan
Rahmat.
سنم آزار نیست من پیش قد به محبت کار نیست آما خوب نه سنم آزار نیست من پیش قد به محبت کار نیست وز نفهمم عشق چیزت فهمم به تو مریم زندگی